Alice Fisk?
Yes.
Is that Miss or Mrs.?
Mrs.
Mrs. Well, Mrs. Fisk,
Are you acquainted with the defendant, Jack Harrison?
Yes.
Could you tell the court how you know him?
When I used to live in Baker, he was my doctor.
You were a patient of his.
Yes.
How many times did you visit him in that capacity?
Twice.
What was your problem?
My problem?
What was wrong with you?
Oh, well, some female trouble.
Gynecological.
Yes.
All right, Mrs. Fisk. Suppose you tell us what happened at that first visit.
Well, the nurse showed me into a cubicle. I took off my clothes, put on a robe, and the doctor came in.
The doctor?
Jack. Dr. Harrison.
Oh, Jack. Yes, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Well, the doctor came into the room. He examined me. I got a prescription and left.
Did you remove the robe?
Well, no. He couldn't very well have examined me with it on.
Well, now, Mrs. Fisk, you're going to have to excuse me. I'm not exactly an expert in these matters. But is it usual for a woman to disrobe completely for a gynecological examination?
Well, this was more than that. I'd been reading an article about cancer, and I asked to be checked for lumps.
What was the nurse doing during this time?
She wasn't there.
Oh. When did she leave?
Well, when the doctor came into the room, he noticed it was near bank closing time, so, I don't know, he needed something or the other done, and he sent her to the bank.
I see. So when you got undressed, and throughout the course of the examination, there was no nurse present, is that right?
Yes.
Did Dr. Harrison, during the course of the examination, make any personal remarks to you?
Not that I can remember.
How about when you took your robe off? Did you make any comment at all?
Well, he did say that I appeared to be in perfect health.
But he made no personal remark of any kind?
None.
Did he ask you for a date?
Of course not.
But you did see him again, didn't you?
Yes, 10 days later, I had to go back to see if the medication had worked.
Did he ask you for a date then?
A drink?
What's that?
I said he asked me if I'd like to have a drink with him.
And of course you did.
Yes.
Where did you have this drink?
Well, there's a place a few miles outside of Baker.
Isn't that a motel?
Yes, but it's also a restaurant and bar.
Oh, yes. That's the bar where you worked as a hostess, isn't it?
Yes.
And wasn't it there, in one of the motel rooms, that you were first intimate with Dr. Harrison?
Yes.
I won't ask if a nurse was present.
Objection.
Sustained.
All right, Mrs. Fisk. Would you tell us when was the first time that Jack Harrison told you he wanted to divorce his wife and marry you?
I guess it was about the third time we were together.
Did he mention it on more than one occasion?
Yes.
About how many times, would you say?
Objection. I don't see how this is relevant.
Your Honor, since the state contends that Jack Harrison murdered his wife in order to marry Alice Fisk, I'm trying to establish the fact that his attitude was not just momentary or frivolous. It was the subject of serious, frequent conversation.
Overruled.
Now, Mrs. Fisk, how many times would you say?
At least a dozen.
Well, you've already attested to the fact that you used that $2,000 that Jack Harrison gave you to hire a lawyer to get a divorce. Is that right?
Yes.
Did you get a divorce?
Yes.
When was it final?
I don't remember.
Why, Mrs. Fisk? Wasn't it 6 days before Wilma Harrison was murdered?
If you say so.
record says so. Thank you. Cross-examine.